Hello friend, this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on export protection on Windows 7. And you can click the menu in setting, then privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection. Then app and browser control, export protection, export protection setting. You can check all of them on without on. It's all by default is default. Click on, on. This is setting. You can check which export can be detected. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.